Hello students, in last session chapter number 10 circles is completed. Now we start our new chapter number 10 areas related to circles, starting from the basic introduction. First of all, what is circle? Definition of circle. Again from the chapter number 10, circle is collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. A fixed point is called center and constant distance is called radius of circle. In this chapter there are lots of formulas to find the areas related to circle. Let's see the area of circle. For that required one circle. Use your rounder to draw a circle. It is a circle with center O and radius R. Then the first formula is area of circle. Area of circle is equals to pi r square. Again, you have to write also area in form of diameter. Here r is the radius, where r is radius of circle. Area of circle is equals to pi d square upon 4, where d is diameter of circle. As we know, r radius is equals to half of diameter. By using this concept, we get a formula to find area of circle, which is pi d square upon 4. Now the perimeter of circle is equals to 2 pi r, formula of perimeter of circle. And again, perimeter of circle is equals to pi into d, where r is radius and d is diameter of circle. Okay, there are 4 formulas. First is area of circle pi r square, area of circle pi d square upon 4, perimeter of circle 2 pi r or pi d. Perimeter of circle is also called length of circle or circumference of the circle. Okay. In your textbook, one thing is given at the started. On page number 2 to 4, circumference of circle bears a constant ratio with its diameter. This constant ratio is denoted by the Greek letter pi. Keep in mind, circumference of a circle bears a constant ratio with its diameter. This constant ratio is denoted by the Greek letter pi. We know the perimeter or circumference. Circumference is equals to pi into d. Now take the ratio of circumference and the diameter d is equals to pi. It is applicable for all types of circles with the different diameters. Now how to come the area of circle pi r square? To understand this concept, in your textbook the figure 12.2 is given. Let's draw one circle for that. A circle with center O. We divide this circle into 16 equal parts. Eight parts. Further divide it into two parts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and the 16. We cut this part and arrange in a single plan. It is for my convenience. From the center to the point on a circle, the distance is represent the radius r. The first part 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 4 parts on upside and 8 parts on upside and 8 parts on downside. RR represent it. Suppose a point A lying on a circle from point A to A. It is called circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r. Right now it is divided into 2 parts, pi r and the pi r. It is r. It represents rectangle with length pi r and breadth r, so that area of rectangle is equals to L into B, where L length is pi r and breadth is r, which is pi r square. But what is pi r square? Pi r square is area of circle. Hence this concept is applicable for the area of circle to obtain the area of concept of area of rectangle by using area of circle. Okay, this activity is given in our textbook. Now second thing is that semi-perimeter. Semicircle. Now what is a semicircle? Is a half circle, a diameter of circle, divide the circle into 2 equal parts. Each part is called semicircle. Let's draw one semicircle. It is a circle. Draw one diameter. Let's take one diameter passes through the center. Upside and downside both are semicircles. Now I am removing the bottom side. O to B and O to A are equal radii of the circle. From point A to B, it is half the perimeter of circle. The perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. It is half means a pi r. First write the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is equals to 1/2 pi r square, where r is the radius of circle and second by area of semicircle is equals to, replace r with the diameter, means d upon 2, 1/8 pi d square. How it obtained? 1/2 pi, instead of r, d upon 2 whole square, pi d square upon 2 as it is 2 square, which is 4. So that pi d square upon 8. It is second formula. Now, what is R and what is D? R is the radius of circle and D is the diameter of circle, where R and D respectively the radius and diameter of circle. Completed. Now a perimeter or a circumference. Circumference of semicircle is equals to OA plus OB plus A to B, which is pi r plus 2r. Or you can also write circumference of semicircle. Keep in mind, the circumference of semicircle is also called perimeter of semicircle, is also called length of semicircle, is equals to pi r, as it is 2r represent the diameter d. It is circumference of a semicircle. Area of circle is completed. Perimeter of circle means the circumference of circle is completed. Area of semicircle is completed and circumference of semicircle is completed. Now two more things are here: quadrant of circle and area of ring. Now we discuss it for our theory. After completing the area of semicircle, let's discuss area of quadrant of circle. For that required a quadrant of a circle. Now what is quadrant? Two perpendicular diameters of circle divide the circle into four equal parts. Each part is called quadrant of circle. Two perpendicular diameter of circle divide a circle into four equal parts. To understand this one circle is here and let's draw two perpendicular diameter. These two perpendicular diameters divide the circle into four parts and each part is called a quadrant of circle. I am drawing here only a one part of this circle. It is a radius and is also radius. O, A, P, B, R and R. Here the angle AOB is 90 degree. OA and OB both are equal from the point B to the point P. It is length It is point P. We know the perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. It is fourth part of 2 pi r. 2 pi r divided by 4 and we get pi r upon 2. It is pi r upon 2. First of all, it is a circle with radius r. Here r is radius of circle and d is diameter of circle. First is area of quadrant of circle is equals to fourth part of area of circle 1 upon 4 pi r square. Area of quadrant of circle. Again it is also in form of diameter 1 upon 4 pi instead of r d upon 2 square 1 upon 4 pi d square upon 4 which is pi d square upon 16. Area of quadrant of circle is equals to pi d square upon 16. But keep in mind the one formula 1 upon 4 pi r square. Next, perimeter or circumference. Circumference of quadrant of circle is equals to pi r upon 2 plus addition of 2 radii pi r plus 2r or circumference of quadrant of circle, replace 2r with d. It is perimeter or circumference or length of quadrant of circle. The formula area and circumference for quadrant of circle is completed. Now ring. Area of ring. For the area of ring, we need two concentric circles. The region enclosed between two concentric circles C1 and C2 is called ring. Here the two circles with the different radii is given. Let's draw two circles, two concentric circles. One another circle is there. Region enclosed between two concentric circles. C1 is outer and C2 is the inner circle. The region enclosed between these two circles, it is called ring. where C1 is larger circle, let us take R be the radii, C2 is smaller circle and small r be the radius. C1 is larger and C2 is smaller circle. Capital R is equals to radius of larger circle, small r is equals to radius of smaller circle. To obtain area of ring, subtract the area of circle C1 minus area of circle C2. Area of ring is equals to area of circle C1 minus area of circle C2. Area of circle C1 means with radius capital R, pi r square minus pi small r square. Pi is common, into bracket r square minus r square. It is called area of ring. Now again simplify as possible. Factorize r minus r and r plus r. Here r minus r is equals to width of ring. Keep in mind, to obtain a width of ring, subtract a smaller radius from the larger radius. It is formula to find area of ring. Now keep in mind the relation 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 mm. It is the relation between meter and centimeter. As we know, it is a related areas related to the circle, so that unit is square centimeter, centimeter square, square meter, meter square. Here the basic theory concept is completed. Now whenever we meet in next session, we discuss our example number 1 and further exercise.